Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So I got a request to do a quick tutorial on how I do my lips. Now you guys know I already have full lips, but this is a good technique to make your lips look even fuller and juicier and more plump. So if you guys want to see how I do that, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so I have you zoomed in here and I have my hand mirror ready to go. So what I do is I take a darker lip liner. So if you're going for a nude lipstick, this is going to look beautiful, ombre, just gorgeous. Today I'm actually going to take a dark lip liner, and I'm going to be using a gloss. A gloss also helps to make your lips look plump and juicy and full. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you guys have got a lot going on with this eye makeup today, so we don't need lipstick clashing with it. So the lip liner that I'm using is the Ofra Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Chestnut. You can use whatever lip liner you have. Okay. And what I do is, so you see we have this natural light color here, right? This is like our lip line. A lot of people follow right underneath that. What I like to do is take my liner on that line, okay? So you're not going to see any of that light color. Do you notice the difference there? It's covered up. That Cupid's bow real good too, guys. And I do the same thing on the bottom. I like to go over it a couple of times, and then I also like to go in the corners. So then if I was going in with a liquid lipstick, once I did that and got it like nice and deepened up in the corners, I would take the liquid lipstick and only put it in the center and press my lips together. But because I'm not doing a liquid lipstick today, I'm going to just pop that lip gloss on. And I'm still going to push it in the center, like that. And then I'm going to push my lips together. To where that gloss just spreads. And you can use whatever gloss you want. I'm using the NK Makeup Lip Gel with Vitamin E in the scent Coconut. But do you see how like juicy my lips look? I mean, like I said, it's kind of hard because they are already full. And then, you know, I'll just go back in, darken up the corners. Press that gloss into my lips. Look at that. Don't be afraid of y'all lips, okay? It's a beautiful thing. So it's almost like I overline my Cupid's bow like a little bit because you want to create that illusion that your lips are bigger and fuller. Right, you guys, so that's it. It's pretty simple how I do my lips. I hope that this helps, and for the person who requested it, I hope you enjoyed this quick lip tutorial and you have success with making your lips look fuller. And that's really for those who don't want to do like lip injections and things like that. You just want a more natural way of doing it. I'm not against people who get lip injections. I don't need them though. Your girl's got these full lips over here. But anyways, that is the technique that I use, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and blow up my comments, y'all. Also, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.